Okay, so here is a very quick demo of traffic time. I really want to show you this simply because it is so straightforward. All you have to do is to watch the welcome video, then watch the overview of traffic time, and then literally just click this button here to submit your URL. And that is you completely set up. That is free traffic sent to you daily to any URL of your choice permanently. And that is all there is to this product, folks. Literally, you submit your URL and you get daily traffic forever to any URL of your choice in any niche, and that traffic continues permanently from our untapped secret underground traffic source, which is unlimited. So couldn't be more straightforward, folks. Pick up a copy. At the moment, the rotators are completely empty at the time of recording this. So those that pick this up on day 1 or day 2 of the launch, they're going to have free reign. They're going to be the only links getting all of that free traffic. So do jump in, pick up a copy of Traffic Time, and I'll see you on the inside where you can submit your link in under 60 seconds.